eternity later.
Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 face masks that you can make at your homes right now. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि आपको जो भी फेस मास्क में आपको इंग्रेडिएंट्स बताऊंगी वो अपनी किचन में इतने इजीली मिल जाएंगे क्योंकि बहुत कॉमन से हैं, बहुत बेसिक्स हैं जो नॉर्मली हर इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में होते ही होता है. तो why not try these out and pamper yourself. I am here to say that these are very beneficial. मैं ये सब बहुत टाइम से यूज़ करते आ रही हूँ and I use them like almost every week और मुझे तो काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल लगते हैं. ऑल्सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू समथिंग. नाउ अगर आप कोई भी इनमें से मास्क ट्राई करोगे तो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर पैच टेस्टिंग इट फर्स्ट, विच बेसिकली मीन्स कि जैसे आपने वो अपना कंकॉक्शन अपना मास्क बनाया तो उसको या तो अपने हाथ के इस पोर्शन में लाइक यहाँ पे या फिर समवेयर इन योर जॉ लाइन हल्का सा लगा के टेस्ट कर लेना, क्योंकि समटाइम्स हमें आइडिया नहीं होता है बट वी माइट बी एलर्जिक टू समथिंग लाइक टू अ पर्टिकुलर इंग्रेडिएंट. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, कम टू द कमेंट सेक्शन and let's chat there. Subscribe to my channel, share my channel with all your friends, and now without wasting of your time, let's just get started. So now the first mask that you're making today is an Upton. Now this feels very useless to tell because I think almost everyone already uses it, but needless of that, I'll still tell you the recipe for it because I don't know what you call it, the process of making it, because this is one of the best masks that I've ever used. It's so purifying, it detoxes your skin and it's like one of the best masks. First you need a spoonful of besan for this, and then you will add some turmeric to it, then add 1 spoonful of curd or milk. Now don't add a lot of curd immediately क्योंकि वरना मास्क बहुत गीला हो जाता है, it will be too wet and it will drip off your face. तो just add a spoon of it, थोड़ा सा mix कर लो and then add more. Like just build it up, don't add immediately बहुत सारा. So this is the paste kind of consistency that you need, and now add half a lemon juice. Now it's time to apply our mask. So first of all you need a brush like this to apply it. You can also use your own fingers, मतलब fingers से भी apply कर सकते हो. So use like that mask apply करने वाला spatula, like you can use whatever you want, but I like to use a brush like this. And then you need a hairband to put your hair back and away from your face, because one of the most irritating thing is कि अगर आपके कोई भी hair mask पे चिपक जाए, it feels so gross and it's so irritating, especially if you've just washed it. So I've washed my hair today, so I'll just put it back. And you need a mirror to apply your mask. So I'm all ready and we'll just apply the mask now. Now make sure you've washed your face first. So पहले अपना face wash कर लो with any face wash that you use, and then we'll apply it. I have my Upton with me और ये मेरा brush है. So इसमें just take some of it and apply it all over your face. Do not apply any of the mask in your under eyes. Now apply a thin layer of this mask and wait for it to dry. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. अब जब आप इसको wash करोगे, you have to lightly scrub it, and that will help in removing all the dead skin or which be dirt, particles, everything off your face. So I've washed everything, I've washed the Upton off, and इसमें जो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं बेसन के, उससे इतने अच्छे से स्क्रब हो जाता है. माई स्किन फील्स सुपर सॉफ्ट राइट नाउ. आई मीन इफ़ यू कुड टच इट, आपको फील होता है इतनी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो चुकी है. यहाँ पे जितनी हेयर ग्रोथ छोटी छोटी होती है वो भी हल्की सी रिमूव हो जाती है. सारा डेड स्किन, सब कुछ गंग पार्टिकल्स सब रिमूव हो जाता है आपके फेस से, एंड योर स्किन फील सो गुड. यहाँ पे I've got a cluster of acne, spots and some pimples here. I don't know why these are happening these days. This is happening to me for the first time. But look at that glow. I have not applied anything. मैंने ना कोई सीरम ना कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं करा है. And look at that glow. It looks so good. Oh my god, I love this mask. And now it's time for mask number 2. Move on to the second face mask, which is a green tea one. As we all know, green tea is extremely good for your skin, hair, body health, like everything, and it just refreshes your mood. जब भी आप green tea पी रहे हो तो just save the tea bag or the tea leaves and use them later in a mask. Green tea is actually full of antioxidants and it just gives you that glow from within. आपकी स्किन को इतना अच्छा बना देती है. So today I'll use like a fresh tea bag, but normally I use them उनको dip करने के बाद I keep them in a bowl and I store them in my fridge and I use them later. वैसे बहुत सही तरीका होता है, वो वेस्ट भी नहीं होती and you end up using it और स्किन को अच्छे से ग्लो देती है. But today sadly I didn't have any, so I am using this fresh tea bag, but you can use whatever you want. Now I'll just take the tea leaves out of it and put it in a bowl. So now the first thing that you need to do is take out all the tea out of the tea bag. Now we'll add some curd to it. इसमें just make sure कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो वरना बहुत watery हो जाएगा. So I'll just add little bit of it, like half a spoon you can see. Now we'll add some honey. Honey is actually a natural cleanser and I've often seen people just using honey as their cleanser. So we'll add a little, like 1 teaspoon of it. Honey is actually very good for your skin. और आप कोई भी face mask online भी देखोगे, you'll see most of them will include some honey in somewhere other because it's so good. Then we need some milk. Now this one includes both milk and curd. Now we'll add some lemon. Let's put on the green tea mask. I've got my brush here. It's actually very messy to apply, so please apply it over a wash basin or कुछ कपड़ा वगैरह रख के अप्लाई करना, because ये green tea का ये गिरते रहता है थोड़ा बहुत. So this is my mask. Now again we will wait for 5-10 minutes for it to dry and then I'll wash it off. So I've washed it off and this will give you the glow like it's nobody's business. It's that good. Like I highly recommend you to use all these masks, especially this green tea one, because ये इतना glow ले आता है आपकी skin में. And I've not applied anything, believe me. I'm just washing my face and immediately showing you what the outcome is. Just think after applying your serums and moisturizer, आपका face कितना healthy और कितना glowy हो जाएगा. Now the third one is the most delicious and heavenly smelling face mask you'll ever see, because it involves coffee and cocoa powder in its base. So आप imagine कर सकते हो, you'll smell like a dessert after putting it on. Also this one is extremely moisturizing क्योंकि इसमें cocoa powder है, milk है, and then the coffee के थोड़ा सा particle से ये scrub हो जाता है बहुत अच्छे से इससे. So it helps in removing your dead skin. और अच्छा natural scrub बन जाता है, and then it moisturizes your skin and gives you that beautiful glow. First of all, you'll need some coffee. We need some cocoa powder, so we'll use half a spoon, and then again some milk. In this one also I'll suggest you कि पहले आप milk डाल के थोड़ा mix कर लेना, then add more, because ये वाला सबसे ज़्यादा जल्दी watery बन जाता है मेरे से हमेशा. So I always add a little bit of it and then keep building it up. So yes, this is the consistency that we want. Now add a little bit of honey to it, like half a spoon maybe. Yeah, this much is enough. And then some lemon juice again. Again we'll add like 1/4. I think this is थोड़ा सा drippy हो चुका है और apply करने में difficult होगा. As you can see थोड़ा सा wet सा लग रहा है. So I'll add like 1/4 of this cocoa powder spoon. Now it's time for our third and final mask. Now this one is the chocolate one that I told you about. You have to apply it all over your face. Again, skip your under eyes because it's very thin skin और वहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं लगना चाहिए mask. So I'll just take the same brush and apply it. Now this smells so good. Like just imagine coffee and chocolate together. Hi, I'm back. So I've washed the mask off and it smells so good. Like my bathroom smells so good right now. So this is the outcome, and I think still the same nice cool glowy soft skin, and my skin looks so healthy. आज skin में 3 face mask लग चुके हैं, तो it's super healthy today. So I recommend you to try any of them or all of them, and do tell me if you try them and if you like the results of it. I'm pretty sure you like them because they are so good. I have to go clean my bathroom because it's messy with green tea का mask remove करना, then chocolate mask remove करना. It's so messy right now. So that's not something I'm looking forward to. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Come back on Thursday for another video. Now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay indoors, and I have to go wash my washroom.